How to folding mobility scooter. Squeeze lever underneath the seat, then pull the footplate to fold. Release catcher, unfold. Pull tiller close and push. Flip switch forward to put the scooter in neutral. This means the scooter can be moved manually. Flip back to go into drive. Cannot be pushed. The scooter must be in drive to operate electrically. Turn key. Wait for all the lights. Beep beep. Adjust speed. Use thumb to go forward and reverse. Built-in USB port. The tiller is adjustable to suit the user's comfort. Wide base. More options for placing your feet. Flip-up armrests for ease of transfer. Charger and manual always included in the bag at the back. Charge all night, every night, and whenever not in use. We provide the Stowaway 3 with one battery, but it can be requested. One battery equals switch must be on 1. 2 equals must be on 2. The Stowaway 3.